What's up everybody, my name is Kyle Meshna. I would consider myself like an adventure creator. Like I am always on the go, I am always on the road. So having a small versatile kit is like the most important thing to me. If I'm traveling light, if I'm going on a backpacking trip, or if I'm out of the country and I'm just gonna be kind of like walking around for the day, this is the kit that I'm gonna be bringing. And then this is also usually my primarily like photo kit as well. So this is the A1 Mark II, the 24 to 50 F2.8 G, and then the 20mm F1.8 G. With these two lenses, I have all the way from 20 to 50, and then having that 50 megapixel sensor at 50mm, that gets me to what, like 75-ish or so, I think. Someone check my math on that. But I can crop in quite a bit. Having the ability to crop if I need to, get a little bit of extra reach is super nice. And then the A1 Mark II, like if you were to buy one camera, the A1 Mark II is the camera to buy. Like it does everything. It's got incredible video, it's got incredible photo, it's super fast, it's got really good resolution, the readout speed is really good. Like everything about this camera is incredible. The flippy screen, amazing. Like every camera should just have the same flippy screen. So when I'm recording myself, when I'm out with the dog, just doing whatever, like this is just the one thing that I need. And it's super light and compact. Like I've done multiple mile backpacking trips and like just bringing these two things, super, super easy. This is my like everyday go-to setup. I do wish sometimes that I have something a little bit wider than 24. So that's when I bring the 20mm f1.8. I find that anything beyond 20mm is usually a little bit too wide. Like a 16 to 35 is obviously like much more versatile, but I usually don't find myself needing anything wider than 20. If I do, I can just kind of like take a couple photos and stitch them together or something like that. And then also being able to like do low light with this as well. Like I'll do like all my Astro with this. I'll do a lot of like my mounted shots in the Porsche or in the truck. I'll like mount this to a little suction cup, and I feel pretty confident that like I don't have to be too worried about it falling off because it's super light, super good in low light. Like everything about this is just excellent. I am also doing a lot of this myself, right? Like I don't have this wonderful crew here helping me out. I just have like a tripod and a backpack, usually. I don't wanna be carrying around a bunch of stuff. I don't wanna be setting up monitors. I don't wanna be setting up batteries and stuff. I don't wanna have to like have some crazy lens kit that I'm lugging around all over the place. So just being able to have this one small little kit with me at all times, it just really works for my lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. If you do wanna check out my channel, I am Kyle Meshna on YouTube and @Meshna on Instagram.